Everyone always wants to know, what is step one? What is the first thing you need to do when you're creating business cinema? Why? That's what I said. Why? The first step is part of the primary principles when it comes to creating business cinema for your business. If you don't know why you're making videos in your business and you're just doing it because that's the thing to do, or you see other people doing it and achieving success, but you don't really honestly know why you're doing it, then you need to just stop right now. When you don't know why, you have no strategy, you have no plan, you have no system, and that doesn't make any sense because it all goes back to why. When you don't understand why, you're not going to make any sense, and you don't make any sense. So, step one is first and foremost understanding why you want to make video in your business. If you need help discovering why, go ahead and book a complimentary consultation with me. I am happy to chat and happy to help you. If you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. I talk about all things business cinema here, which is video with a plan, a purpose, a system, and a strategy. So make sure you subscribe and then click the bell so you get the notifications. And remember, you're someone's reason to smile, so don't give up.